Standard 10, Subject History and Political Science, Chapter 3, Applied History. Dear student, let us see what is applied history. Applied history is also known as public history. Applied history is a field of study concerned with the application of history of the benefit of people in the contemporary and future times. Knowledge of history is useful as it can provide guidance in finding solution to contemporary social issues and incorporate them in the social planning. Knowledge of history is essential for this purpose. The projects of programs related to applied history can create opportunities for people to participate along with the technical experts. The direction of future development in every field is dependent on the state of available knowledge. Hence, the method of history can prove to be of value in the research of various fields, like for example, let us see for philosophy. The history of philosophy helps in understanding the origin of various ideologies, the intellectual traditions giving rise to those ideologies and their historical development. Philosophy needs language as a medium of expression. In order to understand the philosophical expression, knowledge of the history of language proves useful. Science. It is said that need is the mother of inventions. Scientific discoveries, inventions are often the effect of human efforts to fulfill a need and also curiosity. The history of science helps in understanding the chronological order of scientific discoveries, inventions, and theory. Knowledge of history of science helps in understanding the factors that facilitated a scientific discovery, invention, and also in chronology. Technology. The history of technology helps in understanding the changes and their causes in the field of agricultural production, commodity production, architecture, engineering, etc. Scientific discoveries, inventions, and technological advancement are mutually dependent on each other. Knowledge of science and technology was very important at every step from the making of stone tools to agricultural production in the evolution of mankind. Industry and commerce. The field of mutual social transactions expands with the growth of industry and trade. It also promotes continuous development of the network of cultural interactions. It is an integral part of the industrial and commercial management. It is essential to understand the history of these processes. Management studies. In order to understand various factors involved in the chain of production, such as means of production, human resource, and processes of production, as well as the chain of market and sales management, etc. It is essential to have knowledge of similar functional system of the past. It is essential to understand the psychological character of people working at various levels in the chain of productions and marketing for healthy managements. Arts. It is important to understand the development of various arts forms with the help of their style of expression and their foundation in the form of intellectual, emotional, cultural traditions. The key to the expressions in any art form, emotional temperament of the artist and the developmental history of the respective art form can be understood with the help of cultural history. Humanities. Humanities includes disciplines like history, archaeology, sociology, anthropology, political science, economics, etc. To understand the history of the origin and development of these disciplines is an essential part of their learning. All disciplines are supposed to have their origin in philosophy. Ancient people all over the world tried to speculate in order to understand the relationship between the universe and human existence. It gave rise to various mythological stories about the origin of this world, the universal order, human life, gods and goddesses, rituals and their philosophical explanations. Roots of philosophical ponderings are to be found in these mythological stories. Various disciplines under humanities have theoretical foundations based on philosophical theories. Only historical knowledge can help us in understanding these developmental stages. Applied history and our present we will study in next video. Thank you.